All right, this is about as close as I can get without getting too close to the road. You can see that it gets pretty tight here and goes around a corner. So I'm going to stay right about here. I might move down a little bit. You can see right here, you have guy wires coming down from these fences, and you can see, that's about 1/2 inch or a little bit bigger, maybe 3/4 inch wire that's actually bolted into the ground over here. They run a rod down through and drill down into the bedrock here and anchored these fences, along here. And you can see the difference between the type of fence that they've used here, and it's re-rod posts, right? So these are, 1.5 almost 2 inch thick re-rod posts that are hooked with, a heavier gauge fence that are holding back the material from falling. You can see all along here to make it safe to travel along this road. Otherwise, this debris will continue to move downhill, and the fence, this fence will hold it. It's also anchored behind the post. You can see a spot right up here. There's an anchor behind here that's also anchoring down that corner run. And each one of those posts also has the same type of anchor all the way down, holding back that material from falling down into the road. So protecting cars and people from entering the road, or having a problem when they enter the road, I should say. I'm going to cut that part out. Thanks. Bye.